Good morning. I'm so excited to have some coffee with some heavy whipping cream in it. I have been laying here for probably an hour. Yes, I am on the couch. Link woke me up like 1 a.m. and I don't know, I was like, I want to sleep on the couch. So I like hauled my fan down here because it's too quiet down here and I need the noise of a fan. And I brought that down here and I like just curled up with blankets and pillows and just, I don't know why I wanted to lay on the couch. Anyways, it was comfortable. I had a great sleep. And I think it's, what time is it? Hello, I'm talking to you, watch. All right, watch, I see you. It's 8:34 and I'm scared to weigh myself. I don't know why I'm scared. So I am going to go weigh myself and shower, and I will see you after my shower. Make yourself comfortable, Link. I don't know how this happens. Like, how they've been gone for 3 weeks. I've washed all the laundry. I'm folding my clothes, some towels, dish towels, and I find a boy sock. Where did you come from? Okay, so I did weigh this morning, but I'm gonna wait for my official weigh video tomorrow. And I'm exactly the same as what I was last week, but I have to also add that yesterday I started Shark Week, and so I know that I'm holding on to that, and it's a bigger Shark Week than normal, as I keep saying. Not huge or anything. This is such a weird conversation, but we're all friends here. Anyways, it's just heavier than what it normally is. I have a little pimple right there. It's just heavier than what it normally is, and so I know I always get a whoosh after my period, so I know it's gonna happen. So I'm not worried about it, and I'm exactly the same as I was last week, so I am confident that once this is over, I will have lost. Am I going to continue to do the Baconator diet today? I'm getting a little tired of it. I think I want to eat something else, so I am gonna probably have a Baconator, but also eat something else. I had something so important to say, and now I don't remember what it was. I have been playing in some of the makeup that Ashley O'Crogal sent me. I love this eyeshadow. Probably one of my favorites. I don't really know if the lipstick really matches, the shade that I chose really matches the eyeshadow too well, but it was a really pretty color and I wanted to use it anyway, so I don't care. And the whole inspiration behind that color was this color, because I'm wearing my Hustle for the Muscle tank top that Barb sent me for my birthday. I love it so much. What time is it? It is now 10:27. I've showered, I've played with makeup, I am clothed, I've folded laundry, the house is fairly clean. Probably later I feel like I'm gonna go through the kids' room and just clean, because they're kind of messy, and then I am going to make a coffee. I want to go to Big Lots and Dollar Tree for a few items, and then I don't think I need any food wise. I don't think I have plenty of things, so I should be all right. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get off of here because I don't know what else I was gonna say, but I'll best believe I'll be back if I can remember. Link is so mad at me. Like, he is mad. I'm like, come on, buddy, you gotta go in your cage. Okay, my hair is just so frizzy. So here's a non-scale victory. I was able to buckle my belt an extra, buckle? What do you say? An extra hole? I'm not sure what you would call it. I was able to buckle my belt an extra notch. There we go. I tightened it another notch. I didn't leave it like that though. I went back to my belt. It's not like overly too tight or anything, but when I bend, it is a little bit tight, and I don't want to ruin my belt. So I'm just gonna leave it on the 3rd notch. Now, when I first bought this belt, I bought it a long time ago, and I've had it sitting in my closet, and I was gonna return it, and I just never did, because I had a belt just like it, and the belt had basically been tore to hell from my gut, because I could only go to like the 2nd notch on it, and it was like, you know, when you have a belt and it really don't fit you, and you bend and you whatever, and you wear it every day, and the belt was like the holes were like stretched, and it has like the little metal circles in it, so like holes were missing, whatever. And then like the big buckle part, the metal piece had started to rip holes in all of my shirts because it was sharp, so it was ripping. So I bought the new belt, and I thought I bought the right size, because I thought like a 1 at Torrid would have been like big enough, but it wasn't. I couldn't even get it to the first hole, so I kept it forever. And then when I started realizing that I was losing weight, I tried it again, and I would keep trying it until one day I was able to go to the first hole, and then I just kept going from there. When I was able to wear it on the 2nd hole, I started wearing it. I've been on the 3rd hole for some time now, and now I'm at the 4th hole. Yeah, that's exciting. You guys are like, who cares about a damn belt? But that was like kind of like how I measured my measurements without a measuring tape. Now I have a measuring tape, but I didn't go down any in my measurements, so I'm not quite sure. But then again, I don't measure myself right there, like where my belly button is. That's kind of like where my pants line usually sit, is like right there. Maybe I should measure there. I've had an issue with my arms the last couple of days. I've seen pictures of myself, and my arms look bigger. There's just some, I don't know what it is. It's like I'm pleased with the rest of my body, not completely, but I'm more comfortable and acceptable of the rest of my body. So now I'm seeing like my arms in tank tops, because usually there's a shirt covering that part, and I'm being more self-conscious about that now than what I was. But I'm trying to ignore it, embrace the fact that I feel fabulous, and I have more energy than ever, and I'm proud of myself, and I know that more is going to continue to come off, and I'm just not going to beat myself up. That's my goal, is to beat myself up less and less every day. Not be so hard on myself. Not just about, I always forget they moved the Big Lots. Not just about weight loss, but about my financial situation, about, you know, just everything. I need to not beat myself up so much about everything. And so that is my new daily goal, and to work hard to get everything back on track. And because I've been on track before, you know, and as much as I hate to say it, I think I'm gonna have to reapply for food stamps and see if maybe I can get some sort of help again, because like I said, there was a time I was doing really good, and I made $100 too much for that, and I didn't need it anymore. And as a single parent that has 4 kids, and you know, just always made just enough to get by, that was something that I got a lot of help from for a very long time. And then to be told you make too much was a good feeling, but also a very scary feeling, because I've went so long with this. And I feel like as soon as that happened, you know, it was a struggle at first to adjust, and then I was doing okay, I was doing good, and I had it, and then just everything happened. Hours cut, child support cut, dad goes to jail, like everything. So, I mean, it is what it is. But there's something. Looks like collagen keto creamer. This keto coffee. They have collagen, which I need more of. They have Slim Fast. Atkins. There's the Heights right next to the Bangs. I've seen some. That one, I got that one. Nope. No. So you can get Carb, flaxseed, chia, all fairly cheap here. They do have Bob's Red Mill. They also have another brand. Powdered peanut butter. They have this too. Different brands. Think of all the stuff that they have. They do have almond butter. $5. So here's my little Big Lots haul. I love that they have these bags for $1. They didn't have the original, which is what I usually get, but I love the Red Hot. These in some sour cream are delicious. Now, the original, though, do not have, like, dextrose in it or the maltodextrin. But if you're okay with accepting that you're going to have some of that during the day, whatever. You do you. Can't tell you what to do with your life. But that's what I'm going to do. I got some more toothpaste. Since my hair is so dry and frizzy, I got this 3-Minute Miracle Moist that you use just a couple times a week. It's just a deep conditioner. It was like $3. I needed some clippers. Those were $1. This was $1 for my skin. You do know I have eczema and psoriasis, and so I do have medication for the psoriasis now, but I also like to just put this on my eczema on my leg. It's nice. And you can put it in your hair too. This is the shampoo I was talking about. It's got the argan oil, which I really like using in my hair. So $2.50 for this gigantic thing. That's why I'm like, I really hope that this is a good brand. I got this Dove dry shampoo. I'm excited. I don't know. There was a pink one and there was a green one. And for some reason, I was under the impression green was like the melon smell. Who knows? I've never had Star Blast thing. So they had that there. I got that. I got the Bai Super Tea. Super good. And I ran out of collagen for my coffee. So I just got this because it was $10. Okay. And super upset that I ran out of my Physicians formula ones. I think that's what it's called. But oh well. Half of the price. It probably doesn't work as good, but I don't know. Collagen's collagen, right? Here's the Rotel. I guess I got 4 cans, I lied. 4 cans of Rotel and 2 cans of tomato paste. Oh, and then I just threw my hat on the ground. Like, get out of the way. Pineapple coconut sparkling water. 0 sweetener, 0 calories. Natural flavors. So this was $3 for that whole thing. So I'm going to try that right now, actually. All right, we're going to try this. It tastes just like the coconut LaCroix, actually. It's good. It's good on my shirt, too. Dang it. Not the shirt. We like the shirt. We're not supposed to spill sparkling water on the shirt. Here's the burger. It's the 2 patties, 2 pieces of the sharp cheddar cheese. I've only been using 1, but I used 2. I have an ounce of pickles. I have not even a teaspoon of sugar-free ketchup, a teaspoon probably of mustard, about a tablespoon, close to a tablespoon of mayo, and I just have it on a bed of lettuce. And then there is 3 pieces of center cut bacon, and I did season this with the Keto Chop House by Fresh Jax. There is a discount code actually in my description box if you're interested in trying Fresh Jax. I cannot talk. It is 15% off, and I do get a little something when you do order from them. So if you're in the market for organic seasonings, I would definitely check them out. So I'm excited to try this, and I'm just gonna watch some Netflix and chill with my dog, who has made this bed of blankets his bed, even though he's not laying on it. He was earlier. Yeah. It's so nice when your house stays clean when your kids are gone, but then they come home and then it gets messy. But that's okay. This clean house makes me miss them. So here's dinner. It's 1 piece of provolone cheese. It's 1 serving of the ham and turkey from Oscar Mayer, like the sub kit. It's 3 slices of pepperoni, like 4 slices of pickle, and what else is on there? Mayo mustard on a tomorrow wrap. This wrap is only 3 net carbs, and then I have some barbecue flavored pork rinds. That's dinner. It is 5 p.m.